Hello. This is pretty something swag Ocho. And this is um well I am kinda in a heartbreak right now. The fuck? What the fuck? I don't know. How fucker? So yeah. Bye. Stop. You should have covered the fucking thing. I kinda miss my ex.
Jay,
Blah
she still loves you, Jay.
Shut the fuck up,
She wants
Melissa.
to have your kids.
Stony, shut up.
She don't like them names.
Bye.